In this video, we're going to learn how to attempt these JAMB Physics repeated questions under S-rays in elementary modern physics. So we have 8 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first one I have here says, which of the following is not a characteristic of S-rays? We have option A, S-rays are a form of visible light. S-rays can be used to see through objects. S-rays can damage living tissue. S-rays are produced when electrons are accelerated through a vacuum. So the right option to this question is option A, which is S-rays are a form of visible light. This is wrong. S-rays are not a form of visible light, alright, as a characteristic of S-ray. So that's wrong. Is not, alright. So option A is the correct option to this question. The next repeated question will be this one. So it says, which of the following are applications of X-rays? We have X-rays are used to treat cancer. That's correct. X-rays are used for detecting faults, cracks, and flaws in metal casting. That's right. X-rays are used in the investigation of structure of crystals. That's right. X-rays are used as a diagnostic tool in medicine to detect feature of bones, foreign bodies like bullets and stones in the body. That's correct. So option C is the right option. I, and IB. Okay, the next question with this one. It says, when X-rays pass through a strong uniform magnetic field, then they can get deflected in the direction opposite to the field. This is option A. Option B, get deflected in the direction of the field. Option C, do not get deflected at all. Option D, get deflected in the direction perpendicular to the field. So the right option is option C, which is they do not get deflected at all. Alright, the next question will be this one. It says, X-rays can be used in the study of crystal structures because they A, have an extremely short wavelength, B, are very fast, C, are invincible, D, have a very long reaching wavelength. So the right option is option A, which is have an extremely short wavelength. Next question will be this one. So guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, can several cells can be destroyed by, so this is very simple. The right option will be option A, which is what? X-rays. So next the question will be this one. It says, the process of detecting a pin mistakenly swallowed by a child is by X-ray therapy. No. Diagnosis, that's correct. Crystallography, that's wrong. Mammography, that's wrong. So the right option is diagnosis. When you mention diagnosis in biological science or in medicine, basically you're talking about identification, okay, of an error or disorder. So that's diagnosis. They're trying to identify what took place, the process of detecting a pin mistakenly swallowed, detecting that diagnosis. So the next question with this one, it says, which of the following is not a property of X-rays? They have a long wavelength. That's wrong. They travel at a velocity of light. That's right. They have a very high frequency. That's right. They are diffracted by crystal. That's right as well. So the wrong option, which of the following is not a property of X-ray? The correct option basically is option A. This option is not a property. Alright, X-rays don't have a long wavelength. They have a very short wavelength. Okay, the last question before we end this video with this one. It says, which of the following is not true about X-rays? They have low frequency. This is wrong. X-rays have high frequency. They ionize gases. That's correct. They have a very short wavelength. That's correct. They are electromagnetic waves. That's correct. So the wrong one here, in fact, the right option is option A. X-rays have low frequency. This is not true. Okay, so option A is the correct answer this question. So guys, this basically can deal with problems involving S-rays for the JAMB Physics. We experimented with 8 repeated questions for this subtopic in elementary modern physics. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to the channel once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Then how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting special information that will help to simplify your academic work or problems. So having done that, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.